Probably most likely have it here because it's more like open and stuff. And here's like there's this bridge made of like stone stuff, which is pretty cool. This place is really good though for like so I can capture a flag or something. It's got like rivers separating. The only reason we won't know if we'll be able to go have war here is because like it's not by our property, so we don't know if it's like trespassing or anything. But it would be way better here.
Hey, what is the river? It's all weird.
What do you mean it's weird?
Wait, look
it's all swampy. What?
Look at the cabbage.
The cabbage?
Cabbage. Right there.
Cabbage. That's some good cabbage. Okay, so yeah. And then there's also a river over there. We'll go over there after. Ow. What are you? Chew, stop. Come on, come over here. Chew. Come here. Come here. Come on. Alright, so this would also be a really big area to be good. Maybe have one people like start over there or something. And other people like start over there. Be capture flag stuff. Where is our bridge?
Down there.
We made. And we also made a bridge over here, which you could probably cross, but if you get shot, you'd probably like fall in the water, maybe.
Cabbage!
Wait, is that ours?
Yeah, right there.
Is it? Wait. Oh, back there. This is probably our old one.
This is the Major Rogers Bridge.
Oh. Yep. And then there's this other bridge, which we made, which you could probably walk across. It'd be pretty cool. And also you could like go behind this big tree that fell down one time. And then like run over there. It's not really that good sturdy, but it would work. So yeah. Alright, let's go over to the other side. Chew, come on, stop hitting stuff. What? Oh yeah, this is gonna do. You could probably go like, put the flag there or something too. Like just stick the flag in there. Yeah. Got some more area down here. Cabbage. And then there's this star that was like formed. I don't know if somebody made it, but when we saw it, it was like this. You could see they like formed like a star asterisk thing together. Like put the flag in there. Wouldn't that be a good place to put the flag though?
What?
Put the flag like there if you do capture a flag.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll show the other river where like other people can start too. So you got a lot of trees here to hide behind and stuff. I think this would be the best place other than the woods behind his house. Because those are like too close together and everything. So if we could, we probably would have a war here most of the time. It'd be more fun. So this is like the other water river thing, whatever. We don't really have a good bridge, but over towards the end we have like a little thing that you can cross by. Yeah, so there's one here also. Maybe the other team will start on the other side. It's like all the way down there that we have it. Chew, where are you? Guys, like all the way back there. Okay, so just if you go right along here, it'd be, if you could see it down there, that's where it'd be. And then there's also like water here. Not a river, just like water. There's a broken bridge. Yeah, here'd be the best place to try and cross by. Kind of hard, but probably get across it. So yeah. Alright. Alright, go. It's going to show how sturdy it is, I guess. Hopefully. Shoot, you're gonna just go crawl, I don't care. You better not fall in, that would just be funny. This. Ooh. Now I gotta go across. Wait, you go on this one, right?
Yeah.
Alright. There. So it's pretty easy to go across. But you would fall in maybe if you got shot.
Cabbage Patch Kids.
Sure.